quality.
But do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Like how often, whenever you're talking to somebody and they'll say, "Well, no, they don't want to do that," and I'm like, "Well, do you think they don't want to do that, or did you ask them and they said they don't want to do that?" People get hung up in their own mind. They have the objection themselves, and they don't push people, and they don't probe, and they don't ask because the objection is really their objection. People are so limited because of their own internal objections. If you can learn to expand to limit these internal objections, that's how you're going to make more money. That's probably the number one reason why people don't succeed is because they have these objections internally. Today, 18 years later in this career, my internal objections over the last 5 years have gone away. I had a lot of the same internal objections from day 1 to day 15. They were all the same, but what I've really focused on is getting rid of my own internal objections about money. How do you feel about money? People that are really, really, really tight and can't let go of money, they've got an internal thing going on with money. They've got an internal objection. They feel like if I give you this money, I don't have the ability to go back out here and get it. I can't reproduce. So because I really don't think I can reproduce this, I don't give you anything.
Takes courage to overcome an internal objection, would you say?
It takes courage, but it also takes information. It takes the right information because you had information given to you your whole life. It might not be the right information. It could be the wrong information. So what you've got to overcome is what you've known the truth to be for so long. What if that truth is not correct? What if that truth is a lie? And you're going around and you've got the wrong information to make decisions. See, that's the number one reason why people should really build out their self-improvement game. That's why you should spend more money, is because you unlock and you destroy a lot of these internal objections. Internal objections kill you.